Welcome to online classes. This is class 6 chemistry. So in last classes we had discussed about introduction to chemistry. Okay, chapter 1, introduction to chemistry, we had discussed, and from there I had given you some homework to do. I hope that you have done in your homework this warm up activity. So today we will discuss about development of chemistry, a historical perspective. Okay, today we will discuss this one. So please open your page on 2. So alchemy is considered important as it made a significant contribution in the evolution of modern science. Okay, this alchemy, it is the important and significant what it contributed in modern science. Okay, evolution of modern science. Alchemy was an early philosophical and spiritual field of study that integrated chemistry with metalwork. It was also seen as an investigation of nature. Alchemy was scientific but spiritual as well. So in alchemy, in early year, what people were believing, they believe that philosophy, this alchemy is one kind of philosophy and spiritual. Okay, and it is the chemistry with the metalwork. Okay, then it is investigation of nature. So it find out in a nature and it make a change in different way. So alchemy was scientific but spiritual also as well. Okay, alchemy is scientific. This is scientific and spiritual also. Alchemist. So this is alchemy. This is alchemist. So in short, we can say that what it alchemy means. Okay, we can say alchemy, a type of chemistry, especially in the Middle Age. Okay, we find in Middle Age that dealt with trying to find a way to change ordinary metal into gold. Okay, it tries, okay, to change ordinary metal to gold. Okay, and with trying to find medicine that could cure any disease. Okay, it is also trying to find what medicine, and that could be cure any disease. Okay, any disease it can be cure. This is the meaning of alchemy. Okay, then now we study alchemist. Okay, so alchemist means we are the people who practiced alchemy. This alchemist means the people who practiced this alchemy. To them we call alchemist. Okay, these people were regarded as early chemist. Their work contributed in laying the foundation for modern chemistry and medicine. These people are working and contributing for what? Foundation for modern chemistry and medicine. Okay, they are trying to find out modern chemistry and medicine. Okay, alchemists used chemical in metal working. What they are working? See, metal work. They are first. They are working what? Metal work, ink, paints, cosmetic, and to prepare what? Extract and liqueur. Okay, so this year they are working. These people were the first ones to learn the process of isolating zinc and phosphorus. Okay, these people they are learning what about zinc and phosphorus. Okay, their contribution helped in the advancement of civilization. Okay, however, these alchemists related their work with what we call magic. Okay, we call them, they something they are working in this alchemist, we call them magic. Okay, the formulae for instance we are read as magic spells or rituals. This was no standardized scientific practice followed by the alchemist. Okay, in short form we can say that alchemist, what does it mean? So alchemist, this is a person who studies or practice alchemy. Okay, those people study or practiced alchemy, to them we call alchemist. Okay, then second point we see someone who transforms things for the better way. Okay, someone, those people they can transform things, so one thing to another things in better way, we call them alchemist. Okay, then a person who attempts to change ordinary metals into gold. So those persons, those who works in alchemy, so a person who those who attempts, okay, to change ordinary metals into gold metal. Okay, to them we call alchemist. Then third point we see an alchemist was a scientific, okay, scientist. It is a alchemist was a scientist in the middle age, we see in middle age. Okay, who tried to discover how to change ordinary metals into gold. Okay, in same thing only it is written, a alchemist was a scientist, it is a scientist in middle age. Okay, who tried to discover how to change ordinary metals into gold, we call them alchemist. So today we will study this much. So next class we will be studying in notable chemist. Okay, notable chemist we will be studying in next class. So for you homework is that first is what do we mean by alchemy. Okay, this is you write down in your note copy. So first one is what do we mean by alchemy. Then second is what do we mean by alchemist. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.